Now do you want to show Poppy how you can count to 10 in Spanish? Ready? Uno.
Dos.
Madison.
Tres. Cuatro. Es. Uno. Dos. Tres. Cuatro. Cinco. Seis. Siete. Ocho. Nine.
What's the next one? What's 10 in Spanish?
Yeah.
Yes.
Ten.
Good job. Do you want to count in French?
Yeah.
Mommy help you? Okay, what's un,
Deux.
trois,
Quatre.
cinq,
Cinq.
six,
Six.
sept,
Sept.
huit,
Huit.
neuf,
Neuf.
10.
10.
Can you say I love you?
Nine.
Bye-bye.